Hi there, my name is Anna Gopalan. Um, my mother, Saroja Badrinarayan, had the SVF procedure done by Dr.A.K.Venkatachalam about 6 months ago, and I brought her here for a review. And we have done some investigations, mainly MRIs and X-rays, and there's definitely evidence of improvement in both her knees, and there is cartilage regrowth. My mom has been doing well. She has definitely improved with minimal pain in her knees, and she's definitely she doesn't have that much pain as she used to have before. நல்லா இருக்கேன்
நல்லா இருக்கேன்
இப்போ கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் நடக்க முடியுதா? அது எப்போவுமே வலி இருக்கா?
நடக்க முடியாது.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.